In a quiet little farm, surrounded by trees and the songs of birds, lived a little girl named Bella, whose heart bloomed like the wildflowers she ran through every day. Bella would run through the fields, laughing, chasing butterflies, and hugging her white cat. Always by her side was her beloved cat, Emily, white as a cloud, with eyes as blue as the summer sky. They did everything together, playing among the sheep, wandering near the cows. But their favorite place was the river. Bella would toss pebbles, and Emily would chase the ripples they made in the water. But one day, as the sun sparkled on the river's surface, Emily slipped and fell into the water. The river was fast and fierce. Bella, in a desperate child's voice, Emily, knew. She reached out, crying, trying to save her, but the current carried the cat away. Bella couldn't save her. She stood there helpless, watching the water swallow the one she loved most. From that day on, Bella would sit by the window every night, crying and imagining Emily, staring at the stars, hoping to see her again. Silence filled the air, and longing took its place. Emily was gone, but her memory never left Bella's heart. She would visit her grave from time to time. Years passed. Bella grew, just like the flowers she planted, but she never forgot Emily. Every flower she Every flower she planted, every breeze that kissed her face, reminded her of her lost friend. And as Bella planted flowers one day, she looked up to the sky, and there among the clouds, she saw Emily, smiling, her blue eyes sparkling, as if to say, without words, "I never really left." Bella smiled, a real honest smile. For the first time in years, she wiped away a soft tear, planted a new flower, and whispered, "I'll see you in every flower, in every breeze, and I'll love you for